Hi everyone, it's Jenny from Jenny's DIY Studio, and today I'm gonna show you how do I edit my picture. It only takes me a few seconds. So the app that I use is this one, Photoshop Express, and here already shows the album that I have. I want to edit, let's say this one. I just hit it. Now here, this one is to crop your picture, but since I already have it in square, I'm gonna leave it like that because that's how I took my picture in the before. And what I do is I work with this one. This one is for the colors. And as you see, if you start moving them, the colors change depending on what you want. See, and shadows, you will see that this part, the shadow part, will see it will get brighter. The whites will get brighter or less brighter. Blacks, if you go up, see how the details now they show. And temperature, just keep on going and move every single blue bubble, I call it a bubble, to the color that you like. And clarity, this one I like to use a lot. And this last three, sharpen, reduce, illumination, and reduce color, is the most that I use because see how it changed. I like how it looks like, and you will see like a lot of my pictures are like that. Okay, and then what you do, you just hit here so that you can save it on your phone, and then you just do whatever you want to do with the picture. Okay, so I hit save and there it is. Okay, and if you want to do another one, just hit here. It will go back and you choose another one, and that's it. You continue editing. Okay, so hope this tutorial helps you on how to edit your pictures. It's simple, easy, not overthinking what I want to look like, because I'm a mom and a wife, and I have a bunch of stuff to do too. So I want to do all of this quick, and I know a bunch of you want to do a bunch of stuff too. So this is an easy way to do it. Any comment, any questions that you have, remember to put it in the comments below. Hit the like button, share it, and subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell so that every time I upload a new video, you can get the notification. Okay, sending all the love. Today is Valentine's Day. Thank you for watching. Thank you for all your support. Okay, see you on the next one. Bye.